Hey baby, where are we at?
We're at the Lids Park.
Lids Park having a picnic?
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
I'm having carrots and peanut butter.
What's Oliver having?
He's having carrots and peanut butter.
Nice.
And cantaloupe. Is cantaloupe, buddy?
Is he on a picnic?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. There's the duckies. That dog over there, he lays on the grass. Our puppy, he lays on a towel because he's spoiled.
3 pieces of water or 3 pieces of cantaloupe. Is that good? Mm-hmm. Good?
Here's our Oliver. He's a bird dog. He's a bird dog. See? He's a bird dog. Aren't you, buddy? Are you a bird dog? Hi, baby. Is that your bird dog? Is he a good bird dog? Quack, 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 quack.
Is that Grammy's dog?
Quack, 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 quack. Hey, my parents were up and they got Oliver a duck because they know he's a bird dog. Come on, ready to retrieve? Go get it. Bring it back. Bring it back. That's a good bird dog. You're a good bird dog.